Okay, so today I'm going to show you my new invention. Throughout our human history, little understanding. Can you imagine it only took me a few months to figure this one out? Now, you know the human body is blood, but we don't have any hair. And how can you regulate, let's say, if you are out in the cold and you are walking in the cold and you have your dog with you, and that dog is walking like he or she is all nice and warm, while you, yourself, is cold. Now, let's switch to the opposite. What if you are in a desert, and the desert is really hot and extremely hot, and your body is full of fur? How can that be? And they'd be able to walk around these animals, or in this case, the camel, in this picture, able to walk around like he or she is in like 65 degrees. There's something wrong there, don't you think? There's something doesn't fit. Something isn't right, right? Well, it's actually, if I tell you that the human air conditioner does exist, but people have not found it. And yes, I did. I have found a human air conditioner and a human heater. So if you're in a cold, just like this dog here, you can actually regulate your temperature. And then, if you're out in the desert here, just like this camel, you can actually regulate your temperature as well. Yes, there is a way. And yes, we are going to use our blood vessels. Your blood. Yes, you heard it correctly. Your blood is what controls the temperature. And I have found a way to do it. In the cold, you cannot do it long. But in the hot, you can do it all day long and you will be able to stay cool. Yup. Let me repeat again. If you are in hot weather, you can stay cool all day long. But if you are in the cold, you can stay in the hot for only a certain amount, because you need more energy. So, before I introduce those videos, I just want to leave this on record. You can make a human air conditioner and a human heater to regulate your temperature, your body's temperature. Yes, that is correct. I have found a way, and in the future, I will show you how to do it. Other than that, that's about it on this video. I will see you in the next video.